harness anymore. It's just some hacked up wires that I threw together and soldered in real well and taped up. Works pretty decent though. That little headlight, it does its job when I'm going to work in the morning and it's dark out. Yeah. The stock seat actually had a little thing that snaps in. It's got a battery operated little light. You just click it and it flashes. It clicks into the stock seat though. I thought that was neat. I couldn't find one that would no. Backpack. Come on, pup. You're a good boy, huh? Yeah. You're going out and seeing some nature today. Sniff where some other dogs have peed. Yeah! Off-road life. My light wire came disconnected, so we had to zip it up out of the way. What is it, Mac? Hood! Autobots, roll out. Oh, look out, Mac. You're good. Out of the way, pup. Oh yeah, perfect. Ooh. You mean other people bicycle too? I thought it was just me. Woo! Yeah, okay. Yeah, this one looks like it's gonna suck a little bit. No, I should be able to do it. I just need to make sure I get my pedals kicked up out of the way, maybe get a little bit of a run at it. Back it up.
I just lean way back.
Yeah, I want to make sure my pedals are even so I'm not going to catch. Oh. You can come through. We'll wait. Yeah. Yep, already up there. Alrighty. You too. Ooh. Yeah, that sucks. Ooh. this. I think my dad, he would find these challenging, but he would enjoy it. Yeah. Like, his bike is way better suited to do this than mine. Yeah. Dude, I'm not even coming close to washing out in any of these muddy spots. Like, I'm floating right on top of the mud. Yeah, I'm still running my street pressure, which is probably around like 30 something, maybe 35. Ow, fuck. Don't you love it when you catch one of your foot pegs right in the back of your ankle? Dude, it's my favorite. Yep, orange shirt. Ooh. Hang on, we might want to wait for Ash. Here she comes. Any blood? Nope. Luckily these pegs aren't sharper. This thing gets around just fine. It wasn't built for this, I can definitely tell that, but...
Yeah, the forks.
The fork's really soft. Like the weight positioning of everything, it's just not designed to be...
So over those jumps where you jumped it, did it like water out all the way over?
I don't think so.
Well, that worked then. Maybe they're progressive.
I mean, they're not terrible, but they're just very soft.
You said it even says something.
Yeah, it's made to be like a sand shock.
You're not going off 10, 20 foot drop-offs.
Yeah, you're not downhill riding.
This isn't like crazy insane shit.
However, they do make a downhill version of my dad's bike. That sucker's nice. I want to say it's like $7,000, but it's nice. And I think it still has the same motor that my dad's has. Yep, your people are up there waiting on you. You too. Alright. Mud hole. Ooh. Oh shit. You wanna know who makes a really sweet e-bike? Bull Taco. Do you remember the old like 70s Bull Taco motorcycles? Bull Taco is a Spanish motorcycle brand, and now they make an e-bike called the Brinco. It's a 2,000 kilowatt, or 2,000 watt, 2 kilowatt e-bike that's built more like a dirt bike. Yeah, it's like, it's the perfect combo between dirt bike and e-bike. I want to say it'll run up to like 45 miles an hour. High torque motor. So people are doing power wheelies on the thing like it's nothing. They're about $5,600 though. Have you seen any of the electric dirt bikes that have hit the market? Oh shit. Well, that there is a tree. It's a sign. Time to stop and walk. Ugh, somebody's gonna have a bunch of poison on them today. Oh, that would be a good time. Just pop. Oh, that would be wonderful. That sounds like a fucking ideal weekend. Yeah, I bet you that's heavy. Yeah. It's dead. It's been dead for a while, but so hot in here. Hot in. Oh. Yeah, the shit out here will fuck you up. Damn, nature, you scary. If you're okay, don't say anything. Oh, she's hurt. It's like, I'm fine.
She was sneaking. Niggas creeping.
I have my rights. Family! There she is.
Be careful, the log's down across the trail. We had to go under it.
Yeah, it ain't moving. It is there.
How'd you like jump in that pile?
Oh, that was good. You can definitely tell that all the weight on this bike is in the back, because as soon as that back tire hit, I went poof! I just pedaled. And yeah, when that back tire hit my front fork, bump.
Airborne, or does it just pop over and drop it in the backpack? So it doesn't actually like pop.
It's like pop. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's not like air, it's just, yeah. Mm-hmm. Would you like some berries? They look good, or at least this one does. Because, you know what would make this real better? The squirts. Just look at Mac. He knows. Aggressive diarrhea is the only thing that can make this trip better.
Acts like I shouldn't have ate all that grass. So good.
Thought it was gonna come out the other end.
I can do a jumping break. Is it okay if we go back to the house and have a little like bike session?
Little testing tune. We're gonna bolt them up to the dyno, see how many kilowatts we can crank out.
I got more mud in my door.
Oh yeah.
Your cake. Your cake. That looks nice. That's
Okay.
a picture. That's a good picture right
Yes.
there. You wanna take bike selfies?
Dear Eric, look at what I did to your bike. How did it handle it? It was fine. Alright, good. Stop calling me. No, actually their customer service is really good. Whenever I had that fuse issue, and I didn't know what the hell was wrong, I called in, and of course I'm calling, I think, to California. And it was like 5 o'clock here, so I don't know what time it was there, but within 5 minutes I had a return call. And he's like, hey, yeah, this is Eric with M2S. Like, what's your issue going on? Like, explain it a little bit to me. I was like, oh, wow. Good customer service. You're on the ball. And he explained how to fix it.
Yeah, I think I'm due for some bike next year. I need to get some.
Yeah. Like a mongoose or a huffy.